Okay, so Sajin.
So I wish everybody a happy new year है सबैलाई केटाकेटी आन्टी अङ्कल बुढाबुढी सबैलाई शुभ मङ्गलमय शुभकामना छ
Okay, namaste. स्याउ ल्याइदियो दाइ भन्नु भन्दै थियो स्याउको बोटमा त स्याउै छैन पात पनि छैन पात पनि ल्याइदिन्थ्यो के हाँगा भाँचेर ल्याइदिउँ अब शिट What did you say your name was?
Adrien.
So, what?
My name is Adrien. Adrian in English.
Adrian. Oh,
Yeah,
all right.
easier.
Nice. The accent, you know, like French.
Yeah,
the accent,
French accent. I know. It's still difficult for me speaking English.
Okay. The French accent, it's kind of sexy. Like people say that all the time because
That's funny because I really don't like it. I found that's horrible accents. Sexy. Thanks.
So tell me what have you been doing?
What
What have you been doing lately?
So from the beginning,
Yeah.
do you want to know everything?
Yeah, everything.
This is a long story.
No, like a long story short.
But I will do some
Long story short, yeah.
But I start cycling in France, my parents' home.
Nice.
I just quit my job, leave all my stuff, buy a cycle and some luggage and all the stuff.
Yeah.
And then I start cycle from France. I cross Europe. I join the Black Sea.
Oh, okay. Black
Then-
Sea.
Yeah, the Black
Nice,
Sea.
man.
Then
Nice.
from the Black Sea, I got down to Turkey. Then,
Okay. Turkey.
Yeah, cycle Turkey. It was a bit hilly,
Okay.
not like Nepal, but still.
Yeah. Okay.
And then I go Georgia and Azerbaijan.
Azerbaijan. Like
Azerbaijan.
it's in Syria.
It's
No.
It's between. Well, you have Georgia, which is north of Turkey.
Oh, okay.
Just next Georgia,
It's
you have
Slovakia.
Azerbaijan, and on the north of this, it's Russia.
Okay. Okay. Nice.
And from there, I take a boat to cross the Caspian Sea
Okay.
to Kazakhstan.
Nice.
Oh, let me show you.
Okay.
So I don't have a Europe flag because there's too much.
Okay. All right.
Then Turkey,
Nice.
Georgia,
Nice.
Azerbaijan.
Okay. That's the flag of
This
of
is
the country.
Azerbaijan
Okay.
flag, yeah.
Nice.
Kazakhstan.
Oh,
So I need to cross the Caspian Sea by boat.
Oh, okay.
I keep going to
the flag on Nepal?
Uzbekistan. I don't have it yet. I need one.
No, man.
And then after Uzbekistan, I go to the hilly place, Tajikistan.
Oh, okay.
It's really similar to the landscape of Nepal from this part.
Oh, okay.
It was quite high also. The highest pass was 4,600.
Okay.
So I've been able to doing the pass because it was good weather on not snowing.
Nice.
Then I keep going on the north, Kyrgyzstan, and I take a plane to India. So a bit
nice.
sad to take
So
a plane.
it's Nepal now.
So I need the Nepal one, but I
Okay.
didn't find yet. It's only 4 or 5 days I'm in Nepal now. Yeah, Nepal I start in Sonoli border.
Okay. Yeah, Sunwali border.
Yeah, I've been Lumbini,
Okay.
Butwal.
I was born there.
But
Yeah,
I prefer
man.
when it's girl to tell me what's a sexy accent.
Sexy. Oh, okay. Nice meeting you, man. Sure.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Lindamad.
Nah.